Hey everyone, here I'm back with another keto recipe for you guys. I'm so excited about this, probably because this is one of my favorite keto snack. It's super easy to make and it's delicious. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to post more such videos for you. So without further ado, let's get this started. So here I have taken 60 grams of mozzarella in a bowl. The next I'll be adding this 70 grams of almond flour to it. And here you can see I'm mixing them both very well. The next I'm going to add some coconut powder, and here is the nutritional label. You can also replace it with coconut milk if you want that. And I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of it in half a cup of lukewarm water, and we'll give it a very good mix. Just make sure there's no lumps left and it's mixed very well. The next I'm adding 1/8 teaspoon of hing, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and a pinch of salt to taste to the cheese and flour mix. And then we'll gradually add the coconut milk solution to the flour mix and keep mixing it very well. Avoid pouring the whole liquid at a time, keep mixing it very well while adding a little bit of coconut milk every time. So the keto dosa mix is ready, and here I'm adding a tablespoon of ghee to the pan. We'll let it melt and then we'll add the dosa mix to it. The scoop size should be your choice. If you want it bigger, put more to it and then move the pan to let it spread evenly. You can see how beautiful the texture is looking, and it tastes exactly like the actual one. Thin, crispy and perfectly fried. Spread it well in order to get a thin, crispy outcome. You can also sprinkle a little bit of onion and chili at this stage if you like that. So it's almost done, and now I'll just fold it and you will see how it looks at the end. So here is my keto dosa ready to serve, very crispy, thin and a delicious keto snack. Now I'll just serve it with some coconut chutney, as I feel both of them completes each other. So this was all guys, hope it will be helpful for you. Please like and share this video if you liked it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such videos. So hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, take care.